Check out this Lincoln MKC, guys. 2017. This is the Premiere Edition. Super new, inside and out. Fantastic gas mileage. I'll give you a slow pan around it. No major dings, scratches. Matter of fact, this thing is like new. A lot of Lincoln for the money. It does have the power rear hatch, backup camera, backup sensors, touch to lock, touch to start, satellite radio, and wait till you see the inside. It is new, and we've got it right here at the Trading Post in Conover. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all, no problem at the Trading Post. You can apply online. Check out my new website, tradingpostcars.com. Click Get Approved Now, put in your down payment information, and we'll go to work for you. Big touch screen, Microsoft Sync 3, heated seats. It has the automatic shifters right there in the steering wheel, memory seats, powered seats. I told you, a lot of vehicle for the money. Here on my Conover location, 828-464-0600. You're gonna love it here, and you're gonna love my Lincoln MKC. Family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family. Great people, awesome prices, easy financing at tradingpostcars.com. Call us today, or better yet, come see it in person. You will be impressed. It's not gonna last at this new internet special price, so come check it out now.